Just imagine being able to stay in a condo or a house, 1 through 8 bedroom oceanfront house or condo for a low rate. And we will walk you through this video of how to find cheap vacation rentals, less than what you normally pay. Just like and subscribe to our channel, and we will show you just how to do it step by step, what website you will use, and everything else. So it will be 30-day luxury vacations, oceanfront. So you imagine being able to sit on the balcony and stand, and you didn't go broke in order to stay in these condos or these houses. So mainly you would go and type in Google Elliott Vacation Rentals. It will bring up the website. So Elliott Beach Rentals. So Elliott Beach Rentals. So once you get the Elliott Beach Rentals, you can match the website and it will come up. From here, you can see all the luxury condos, houses, oceanfront, and I mean, you won't be broke. I'm telling you, you won't be broke. Not with what we're going to show you on this website. You can tell your family, you can tell your friends, you can tell everybody how to save some money. I mean, you'll save a lot of money. I'm talking about thousands of dollars just renting with them. So mainly with the 30-day vacation condo rentals or house rental, normally the 30 days is only for winter time. So mainly a lot of time we will book during Christmas. The best time we will book is during Christmas, or any time during winter time. You could book 30-day vacation rentals. And you can choose if you want to October, November, December, all the way through 2022, whichever one you want to do for the winter time. You can choose that, and it'll be just like you paying 1 week when you getting it for 30 days. It's crazy. So from there, you choose if you want 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms. Bedrooms can go all the way up to like 8 bedrooms. Last condo we stayed in, I think it was like 7 bedrooms. We pay hardly anything for that. So you can choose condo, or you can choose if you want a house. And make sure you hit oceanfront if you want to stay oceanfront. It don't have to be oceanfront. You can choose any thing. Could be the second row, but oceanfront is the best view, I'm telling you. So from here, you can scroll down. You can see they got some rates from $945. But you definitely want to go to the last page. On the last page, they tell you what the amount would be, but it's a little bit more, but it's still not that much for 30 days. The amount that you're paying here, I mean, it'll be less than what you pay for 1 week. So what you do, you scroll down and see which ones. So I take my time. I scroll down to see which one I want to stay in. You can look at everybody got their different tastes, which one they want to stay. We always stay in the best ones. Because every condo or house could have different type of decorations, different way that it look. So you know what your taste is, but I'm telling you, they're all luxury condos and houses. So this one shows Laquina Keys. It shows this one, and as you see, once the fees are added in, and right now scrolling is showing you all the different pictures of the condo. This is a condo, but this is a 1 bedroom. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the price at the end of this. It will show you the price that you will pay for 30. I'm talking about 30 days. This is really a deal. $1,301. This is the amount you will pay probably for this luxury condo. You probably will pay that for 1 week, but now you're getting 30 days for this. So this is really a deal. I mean, you really got to see what I'm saying. A lot of time on this site, you would have to make sure that you could either choose that you will do the cleaning after you check out, or you have the maid service there to do the cleaning. So it's cheaper to do your own cleaning after you check out, but they still come in and do a little spot cleaning. So make sure you also check that you want your linens, because these are vacation rentals. So a lot of times they have the cleaning places that come in and bring clean sheets, clean covers, all that stuff. Unless you bring your own, you want to make sure you check that. So that was 2 beds that you have to get the linens for. So we put that in there. We didn't want to clean it, and that brought it up to $1,313.20. So that is cheap. Now I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna compare this to going to Laquina's site, the original site, and try to book. And I'm gonna show you that how just 7 days is the same amount for 30 days. And also it'll show you too, mainly that you can't even. A lot of the condo places won't even let you book for 30 days. So I'm telling you, this is a deal. This is a secret that nobody know about. And mainly this is at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is the only place that they allow you to do these rentals at. So it have to be at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So if you would like to travel, please come on, travel up here. I already stay here probably about 15 times. I done stayed in different condos, different houses. I mean, if you want to enjoy and bring your family to enjoy too, I'm telling you, this is what you do. Now look at this. It's coming up, Laquina Keys Vacation Rental, and this is the original site. This is not going through the rental company. So just looking at this, look at this. It shows here I'm trying here. You see, I had already put the dates in to try to do 1 month. It won't allow you to do 30 days. So if you use the rental company, I said you can do 30 days, but they won't allow you to do 30 days. Right here, you see they do 7 days. Only doing 7 days for this condo. It's 7 days, and they saying that it's like 1,500. It's even more for those 7 days than it is to do 30 days through Elliott Vacation Rental. Elliott Vacation Rental is I'm talking about the cheapest place. Like I said, I've done stayed there many times. Me and my family stayed there a couple times for Christmas vacation, summer vacations. We travel other places too, but still, the other places that we travel to is not cheap as this place in Myrtle Beach. So December. See, this is the most recent video. So if you trying to do a Christmas vacation, I'm telling you, get the family. They got 4 or 5 bedroom houses, condos, and all of you guys together, y'all paying cheap, like $100, $200 a piece, and you be able to stay. So like and subscribe. Thank you.